Hello guys, welcome back to the Latin Cyber. Um, and this video we're gonna show you how to download Nessus. Just you type Nessus. Can download Nessus. So here, just we make sure that we have um, the last version. And Debian is good. Just we click download. We agree. It's already download here. Start on. That is down. When I go to the terminal, I go to download. Let go. We didn't down it yet. Ah, yes. So we have uh, here going as a sudo and B G, and we're gonna copy the Nessus and that here. Copy and paste it here. And I just enter. Put you put your password. So now we have to wait to complete. So in here say if you you can start the Nessus scanner by typing this command. What you wish to do could be that command here. Um, we paste the star we password. It's already started. So now we're gonna open our browser to check it out if it's running. We're gonna put a status here. Yes. So it's running. And now we're gonna open the browser. Getting conference and actually running. So we'll go to the browser, open on it. Let's say HTTP and slash comma to localhost 8 eight 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 three four. So we're gonna go advanced uh, set with. So here we gonna oh, first we're gonna show you what you had to do for register to Nessus. So we wanna say Nessus uh, essential. Here you can register to Nessus. So you're gonna do uh, your name. You follow the default, and you're gonna get a register code in which you're gonna use for that. So like I already have, I don't have to do it. So I'm just gonna hit a continue. Uh, we're gonna continue to register for next essential. Which one it is here? We're gonna continue. So here you add your name and your email. So I'm gonna pause here to add my personal credential. So and guys, you're gonna get like a code like that after you register for the Nessus. So now we're not continuing. Here you can add the usernames, whatever name you want to add it. So my case, I just gonna uh, write inside or you can add passwords that you want. Yeah, we can save it if we need to as well. We're gonna the code we can also so just so, okay, so so last thing. So just now we have to wait the downloading is complete plugin with the your chart. So like you said, that's said, um, in the next video, we want to show you how you can navigate um, um, in Nexus, so how you can run a scan as well. We're gonna be doing all this. So, guys, if you like the video, don't forget leave your comment and subscribe. See you soon.